Hello Vetmates! This is Robijan de la Cruz, and today we will be discussing about the terms Pharmacometrics and Pharmacotherapeutics. But first, what is Pharmacometrics? Pharmacometrics is an emerging science defined as the science that quantifies drugs, disease, and trial information to aid efficient drug development and regulatory efficiency. It deals with the study of quantitative and qualitative evaluations of the activity of drugs. While pharmacotherapeutics comes from the Greek word therapia, meaning medical treatment, it deals with the use of drugs in the prevention and treatment of diseases. In other words, it is the clinical applications of the pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamic knowledge of the drug. So that's all guys. Thank you. Bye!